Hey guys, this is Fundo on Non-Shupagamo. Tonight on Imbewu, Nkululeko visit Nokuzola for see the baby. He asked the name of a child, and Nokuzola tell him that his child is Nozmangaliso. Mazolo is staying away from the Tulele business, while the Tulele need help from Mazolo. Mira gets Mira anger at being excluded from the drafting of Nairobi New Will draw to irrational height and despite to Shelling at a temper to talk her down. She threatened to hire a law and sue her family. Do you think Mira will work her plan to call a lawyer? Please leave your comment below. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.